Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about a new opportunity that from SCL Semiconductor Laboratory. So we are now discussing about advertisement for filling up the post of director for SCL. So the last date for this post to apply for this post is 8th September 2022. So let's go to the details of this. So Semiconductor Laboratory SCL, one of the autonomous institution under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So Government of India at SAS Nagar, Mohali near Chandigarh. So design and development of very large scale integration VLSI devices are the main part of SCL Semiconductor Laboratory, and also development of systems for telecommunication and space sector. And SCL has facilities for fabrication of microelectronic devices in 0.8 micron range and microelectromechanical systems. The upgradation of CMOS fabrication foundry and commensurate facilities and utilities from 0.18 micron to state-of-the-art facility are the major projects being carried out at SCL. So the director is the chief executive officer of the society, and the role involves evolving strategies and plans for achieving the objective set for the laboratory, and is responsible for proper management of the society. So it is in SCL, it is looking for a dynamic and experienced officer to head SCL as director in the pay scale of level 15 in the pay matrix, rupees 1,82,000 to 2,24,000 rupees. So the pay scale will be in this range, and it's a level 15 pay matrix, and the post is proposed to fill on deputation basis. And next is eligibility criteria. So first one is officers working under the central or state government, including autonomous bodies, R&D institution holding analogous post on regular basis with a minimum service of 3 years in the post in level 14, and minimum 3 years of in the post of level 14 is required, and also the officer should be worked under a central or state government or autonomous bodies and R&D institution. And also second condition is like should possess the educational qualification and experience prescribed herein to eligible to apply. So post graduation in science or engineering in the field of electronics or semiconductor physics. And second thing is a minimum of 20 years of experience in the field of microelectronics or in the development of high reliability electronic devices or systems or aerospace applications. So the age limit for this post is not exceeding 56 years as on the closing date of application. And I will be posting or I will be giving the advertisement link and the official website for this particular post or opportunity from SCL in the description of the video, and you can get the same details, the other details involved in this opportunity from the site itself. So try to apply for this post before 8th September 2022. So 8th is the last date. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.